Hi everyone! For this anatomy model, I will go over all the surface anatomy. Starting with the anterior view, we have the antecubital right here as the elbow, or antecubital down here on the other arm. Either case, it is the same thing. Then you have the axillary, which is the armpit region right there, or here. Either arm is the same. And then you have brachial, which is the upper arm on this model, or the upper arm on this right here. Then you have carpal, which is the wrist, because we have a bunch of bones here that are named carpal bones. Either here or here are both carpal bones, or carpal area. Then you have cervical, surface anatomy area, which is the neck portion. Then you have the coxal, which is then the hip, here or here. Now remember to not confuse coxal with inguinal, which is completely different. Coxal means the hip either here or here. Then you have digital, which are the fingers, which I will point right here as these fingers. He's hiding it with his knuckle, but by closing his fist, but you can kind of see the fingers here, or right here as the digitals. Whether it be the hand or the toes, it is still digital. Then you have the femoral area, which is then the thigh, either on this leg or on this leg. Then you have the frontal. Frontal is the forehead right here, frontal, or also called cephalic. You have then the inguinal. Again, here I said that to not confuse inguinal with coxal, which are the hips. Then you have mammary, which is right here. Either this chest or this chest is the mammary area. Then you have nasal, which is the nose, nasal area. Then you have the oral area, which is the mouth. Orbital area is the eyes. Palmar is the palm. Even though he closed his fist, you can still kind of see the palm either here or, well, it's kind of back there, but it's okay. We'll point right here for palmar. And then we have the patellar next. Patellar is the knee, either this one or this one for patellar. Pubic is right here in the front, pubic down there. Sternal is where the bone sternum should be, so that's right here as sternal. And then you have tarsal, which is kind of like carpal, but now we're at the ankles, either here or here for tarsal, the ankle area, either there or there. Then you have umbilical, which is this right here. This is umbilical. So that's it for the front, and we'll now go to the back. So from the back view, you can see different surface anatomy parts, starting with calcaneal. Calcaneal is the heel right there, either this heel or that heel. Lumbar region is right here or right here on either side. Know that lumbar is not the middle. Lumbar refers to the side on the lower back, right here or right here. Then you have gluteal, which is this area. We'll have a muscle here called the gluteus maximus. And so that's why this area is called the gluteal region. Occipital region is the back of the head right there. Occipital region. Then you have perineal. Perineal is then down there. Okay, just like how from the front you have the pubic, from the back view you have the perineal down there. Planar is the bottom of the foot underneath, like it's the bottom of the feet, either this feet, or excuse me, that foot or this foot. And you have sacro. Sacro is right here, where the sacrum bone should be on the lower back. This little triangular shape is called the sacral area. Scapular area is where the scapula bone is, so it's around right here for scapular surface area. And then this middle one, the white area, is called the vertebral area. And that is it for surface anatomy.